Huwag kang papayag na wala kayong label. Ano ka ba naman? You don't deserve that. Nobody deserves that actually. This is in the context of you really want a happy, fulfilling marriage in the future. Huwag kang papayag na wala kayong label. Bakit? These are 3 reasons why. Number 1, pag wala kayong label, hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar. Alam mo yun? Hindi mo alam kung nag-overstep ka na ba? Hindi mo alam kung pwede ka bang humingi ng update sa buhay niya. Ang dami mong hindi alam. Hindi mo alam yung posisyon mo sa buhay niya. You don't know how much you matter to that person. And the second problem is, hindi mo alam kung anong gusto niya. That's why, hindi mo alam kung gusto niya ba ng monogamous relationship, yung kayo lang talaga. Malay mo, gusto niya pala open relationship. Like you're open to everyone else. Paano kung hindi ka naman okay doon? You should also know if that person is considering marriage in the future the same way that you are considering it, if just in case. Second reason yun, na huwag kang papayag na wala kayong label. And third reason is, hindi mo alam kung saan siya papunta. You don't know if kasama ka ba sa dream life niya. Kasi nga wala kayong label eh. Ang lungkot, diba? Kunyari tinanong mo siya, ano ba tayo? Tapos ang sagot niya sa'yo, masaya. Diba? Saya now, overthink later. So please don't fall into that kind of relationship. You know, meron akong story sa inyo. Yung isa ko kasing client as a wedding host, they almost lost hope in love because sabi nila parang they're getting older, pero wala pa rin silang partner, ganyan. And they decided to open a dating app. Tapos doon sila nagkakilala. You know what's the first thing that they did nung nag-date sila? Talagang nilatag nila, this is what I want in a relationship. Ganon. Pareho sila. Tapos na-figure out nila, hala, pareho pala tayo ng gusto. And so it clicked. And eventually, they got married. So, very important. Para kasi siyang kapag wala kayong label or when you enter the dating scene na walang label, it's like entering the grocery store or Watson's na wala kayong listahan ng agenda. So, anything goes which could be destructive in the end. So, you should have a label. Ano yung mga label? First label is, pwedeng courtship label. Kasi kapag tinanong ka niya, pwede ba ka manligaw? Or pag tinanong mo siya kung pwede ka bang manligaw, that is already a good label. It means that you want to take things seriously with that person. It's just that you're still in the courtship stage. Now, when you ask that person, will you be my girlfriend? Or kung sasagutin mo na siya, that is another label kapag naging mag-boyfriend-girlfriend kayo. You should have either of those labels. And I became very clear kung ano yung gusto ko sa relationship. Kaya, nung single ako and I was dating, chinek ko talaga yung mga nakaka-date ko. Am I liking his vibe? Am I liking how he treats me? Are we meeting eye to eye? Nasa same page ba kami? So that we don't waste each other's time. So, after I go on a date with those guys, kapag hindi ko talaga siya na-feel na, gina-ghosting ko na. I mean, hindi ko na siya ine-entertain masyado. Tas magaling naman silang makiramdam, hindi na rin sila nagpa-pursue. So, let's not waste each other's time kung hindi naman pala tayo pareho or not in the same page. Also for you, wag mo rin sayangin yung oras at panahon mo sa tao na hindi ka naman pala kayang seryosohin. Kasi, kung hindi ka niya kayang seryosohin, there are so many more challenges in a relationship that you'd have to face together. That's why you need someone na parang kape, yung kaya kang ipaglaban. Okay? That is why we need a label because it gives us clarity kung saan ba papunta yung relationship natin. It gives us clarity kung ano yung gusto natin together as a couple. Now, of course, clarity is hindi siya guaranteed na you will end up together. But at least, a label will give you clarity kung ano yung role nyo sa buhay ng isa't isa. Kasi kung wala kayong label, pag tinanong ka, ay, ano mo siya? Awkward, diba? Binibigyan mo siya ng jowa benefits, pero hindi mo naman siya jowa. Diba? That's why you shouldn't enter a no-label relationship. Huwag kayo dyan. As early as possible, alamin nyo na what are you looking for in a partner. Are you planning to get married in the future? Are you looking for a serious relationship? Ganyan. Sa una pa lang, alamin nyo na para you don't fall harder and deeper only to find out na hindi pala kayo pareho ng gustong mangyari. Sayang yung oras. And I hope that you find someone na talagang compatible sa'yo. Someone who will reciprocate kung ano yung kaya mo ring ibigay in the relationship. Because nobody deserves to be overthinking at night. Niisip mo kung bukas ba magte-text pa siya? Bukas ba mag-update pa siya? Kasi wala kayong label eh. You don't deserve that. You deserve someone na hindi mo kaya magdrama. Bakit? Kasi magdadrama ka pa lang, nagbigay na ng assurance. That's the kind of relationship that we want. And it's not impossible. We have a chance at it. But the longer you hold on to that person na hindi naman sigurado sa'yo, hindi mo mabubukas yung pintuan for a better person. So if you need to let that person go, let go mo na. I already have a podcast episode on that. So I got you already. And I hope that this has been helpful to you. If you have any thoughts or comments about it, you can comment here or you can update me on Instagram or on my Facebook. I hope that you would have a happy and healthy love life. Stay blessed. Bye!